When searching for the right kitchen contractor, keep these important things in mind. Tackling a kitchen remodeling or construction job can leave anyone's head spinning. Choosing between all the building materials, colors, finishes, appliances, and more can get very confusing, not to mention the potential stress of having someone working in your home for a number of weeks. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a kitchen contractor that is right for you. 1. To avoid any potential problems and surprises, ask to see the contractor's license and insurance before they begin work. 2. Ask about the proposed time frame and schedule for the completion of your job. Also request before and after pictures of recent work they've completed for other satisfied customers. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right kitchen contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.